Well, Terry, right now there are two suspects in custody. One of them arrested right where I am standing in this parking lot, which just happens to be back behind this fence. And witnesses say the guy got over this thing by, well, doing the obvious thing. He simply jumped over it. We're now over here in the Parkview Apartments. This is where that break-in happened. Follow me back right over here. It was this end corner unit. Our memory can be so short. To prove it, here's a throwback to some warmer weather. Welcome back to the melty days of summer. Police have now expanded their scene here. They have put out additional officers here along Petzinger Road, turning drivers around. This deadly shooting happened just down the street from where we are live. This is as close as we have been able to get. Within the last few minutes, the Columbus Police Mobile Command Unit, that big white RV you see right there, has now arrived here. We are right now live along Cleveland Avenue, but I tell you what, you drive on any street in Columbus, and I bet you in a matter of seconds, you will likely find a pothole. In fact, so far this year, the city has patched 43,733. To give you an idea just how long the suspect's public indecency record is, we went online, printed out court documents for his convictions, and this right here is the paper trail. It goes more than 20 feet down the sidewalk. The dates in these documents go back years, and police now say the suspect's actions have led him here to OSU campus bus stops. The crash report shows the driver responsible for the wreck was then 18-year-old Ethan McNabb. He told investigators he does not remember how it happened. He got a traffic ticket for 2 misdemeanors, paid a roughly $140 fine, and did not return my calls. You know, I can take a pop can and I can crush it pretty easily. The tornado did the exact same thing to those silos. Check that out. And after the tornado bent, twisted, and tore those apart, it moved on to a home with a family inside, and this morning they are all okay. The damage here is from a toppled tree. The tree is big enough, even with my poor balance, I can walk it as a balance beam. The biggest fundraising effort has been these Change for Children's boxes from Children's Hospital. Each student had one, and they've been filling them all week. Columbus police now say this all started with an argument between the victim and the shooter. That happened back here on the sidewalk where you see all those orange cones. Since our last report, police have checked under all those, and we can now tell you those are marking 7 shell casings. And it is from that spot where the gunman took aim at this home and bullets flew through that side wall. We have a map to lay it all out for you. Right now, we are live right around this black dot on Stelzer Road. Columbus detectives are looking into break-ins primarily on the east side. As many as 15 crimes in Whitehall could be connected. More cases in Gahanna, in Reynoldsburg, and in Pickerington could also be linked as well. All of this coming together because of a big break police got after the break-ins in this shopping center. The side street where that leak happened, it is still closed at this noon hour. That natural gas came spewing out of a 2-inch line that was hit by a work crew here, and it was students living in this building and other nearby homes that got the smelly wake up. Just across the street, there's a City of Columbus utility crew. They just, it appears, shut off the water main, and it looks as if the water is starting to recede. There obviously still is a lot of water here at this intersection. I want to walk over here and give you a sense of just how deep this is. This is about the deepest point we can find, and it comes up to almost my knees, so about 1.5 feet worth of water. And even though the line, it appears, is off, just take a listen to this real quick. I want you to hear this. Gives you a sense of just how much water is continuing to rush down the street. Behind me here at the Licking County Highway Department, you'll see 2 big barns. One of them is full of salt, the other is full of sand, and crews are mixing them together, and it is all because of the cost. We found what looks to be some of the damage left behind from this police shooting. This white box truck was hit by several bullets. One bullet cracking the headlight here, another going right through the hood, and a third right through the windshield as well. Columbus police are here guarding this intersection in every direction. The caution tape also surrounds the area. This right here is a brick that used to be part of this building.